Cornelius Williams. I'm in Houston, Texas, in the Mineland area. I just had to have structural work done to the roof. I got on Google, got on Better Business Bureau. Next thing I found Roof Fix for that way. They came in, they replaced, I had structural damage as I said. They replaced the main ridge board across the top of the house. They replaced like 18 of the 2x6s that are horizontal that hold the roof up. They replaced all of the deck and they did a phenomenal job. Danny and Ulysses, they were on time. Anytime I had a phone call, somebody had a question, they called. There were one or two things that I noticed after they completed the work. They came out in real time. Within 24 hours, we had somebody fixing my little things that I saw that I thought was wrong. Most definitely, they did great work. Like I said, Danny, he called me 10 times a day. If I had a question, he was there. Ulysses as well, and everything, it was just a smooth process. Thank you, Fix Houston, I appreciate it. You guys are awesome.